Hello and welcome to Gain the Advantage. My name is Chris. Today I'm going to show you a surprisingly simple way to create professional looking illustrations using NotebookLM. Let's say you need to design a flyer to persuade people to volunteer for an organization. Instead of starting from scratch in a design program, we can use NotebookLM to generate the core ideas and visuals in minutes. First, head over to your Google landing page and open up the Google App Launcher. From the drop-down menu, scroll until you see NotebookLM and click it. Once NotebookLM opens, select Create a New Notebook. Now we need some source material. For this example, I'm going to create a flyer for Hands On Tokyo, a volunteer organization. So I simply copy and paste the website URL into NotebookLM and press enter. Almost instantly, NotebookLM reads the site and generates a summary explaining what the organization does and why it matters. Next, in the prompt box, I'll ask NotebookLM to create an infographic that persuades people to volunteer for this organization. NotebookLM starts generating ideas and outlining the content for the flyer. While it works, this might be a good time to grab a cup of tea. When I get back, the infographic is ready in the Studio tab. This looks like a solid starting point, but maybe we want to reach a different kind of audience. Suppose we're trying to persuade some corporate professionals to volunteer. This time, we can use a corporate style. And just like that, we've created a flyer that feels like it's ready for the C-suite. Now, if you really want more control over the creative process, click on the pen tool. This opens up the options menu. First, you can choose from a variety of languages and the orientation of the infographic. Since we're creating a flyer, I'll select the portrait orientation. Next, you can choose from several visual styles. This time, I think I will go with anime. Then you can select the level of detail included in the infographic. Because this is a flyer, I'll choose the standard setting. The concise option might not give potential volunteers enough information to take action, while the detailed option could overwhelm them with too much content. And finally, there's an opportunity to refine the focus of the infographic. In this case, I will target Japanese university students studying business. Now this looks much better. And that's how you can use NotebookLM to quickly generate targeted, professional-looking infographics for different audiences. Just remember, whenever you're working with any AI platform, always double-check the information it produces for accuracy. That way, you can ensure that whatever you publish or present meets the highest professional standard possible.